Think your LA auto repair shop can't blow up overnight? Think again. What if I told you 90% of your competitors don't use online marketing? Imagine a flashy website catching eyes from downtown to Venice Beach. Now picture glowing 5-star reviews flooding in, creating trust in seconds. That's the power of online marketing. Here's the twist. It's not just ads. It's SEO magic pulling customers straight to your door when their car breaks down at midnight. Visualize custom videos showing your techs fixing engines with superhero speed. Social media buzz? Exploding your brand like a street mural everyone's talking about. America's best shops know this secret and are ready to fuel your growth. The emotional hook? Every car you fix means one more family back on the road, stress-free. Your shop isn't just a business, it's a lifeline in LA traffic chaos. Missing this online wave? You're invisible to thousands crying out for help. Ready to turn clicks into customers and chaos into calm? What will you do tomorrow to make your shop the talk of LA? Don't wait. The online race is on. Are you in or hopelessly stuck in neutral?